happy just showed up, so let's unbox it. Alright, so apparently the person I bought it from, or that sent it to me, gave me some Knock Knock era little cards, which I don't think came with it originally, but these are really cute. Right, so I pre-ordered it, so I also got the pre-order PC cards. Whoop. So, the pre-ordered PCs are Nayeon, Jonghyun, Momo, Sana, Jiho, Mina, Dahyun, Taeyoung, and Tui. And I believe both are the same. Yes. So those are the pre-order benefit photo cards. Then I also have the posters. There's the first one. And here's the second one. So here's the pink one with Sana. Alright, then with the pink one I got Dahyun, which I get with every single album. I always get her PCs. And here's Jonghyun. There's the back. And here's Mina. Here's the back. Here's the photo set. Or not the photo set, the sticker set. And the postcard. Next, I will open the green one. Alright, so here's the green one. And I got Mina's CD. Right, and are the pictures this? Nope. Move those out of the way. And so this is the sticker set. Then this is the photo card, or the postcard. And so I got Jiho, there's the back of hers. I got Nayeon. And then I got Jiho again.